guys, welcome back with us
G
Orang dengan Genetik Jawa. So we are Japanese girls who like horror story.
Do you guys know about Santet?
Santet?
Oh, yes, I know. Santet is an Indonesian black magic to harm people from distance. So, without touch them, guys. In Java, Bali, and Madura, Santet is very popular and has become a culture to this day.
Oh my god.
So, have you heard any story about Santet, guys?
Of course I do.
Ooh, let's talk about it.
So guys, for the first, I'll tell you about Sewu Dino first. So, but before we start the story, do you guys know what Sewu Dino is?
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1,000 days.
Yes, of
But
course.
Santet with 1,000 days.
Yeah, it can happen in this story, in this sentence. So, Sewu Dino or 1,000 days, of course, in Japanese, is an ancient form of Indonesian black magic, infamous for its ability to destroy entire family lines.
Oh.
Yeah, so all the family will die. This curse, rooted in deep hatred, causes victims to suffer unexplainable pain over 1,000 days, while supernatural entities are sent to torment and harm them. So the family member often face relentless misery, leading to unexpected deaths one by one. So
Until none are left.
yeah, no one. Yes. So I have one story about Santet Sewu Dino. By the way, but this is based on true story, and it's from Java, where we live. So there was a girl named Sri. Sri was a village girl who got job with Erna and Dini to help the Atmojo family. So the family was under the Sewu Dino curse that cast by Kunchoro family as an act of revenge. So they're both like a rival or enemies. And their job was to care for Dela Atmojo, the last descendant of the family. Yeah, because if Dela's died, all the family lines will die.
They all die.
Yeah, they all die. So that's why they take care a lot of Dela. Yes. Dela's body was festering, and she was possessed by evil spirit. And they are all live in small wood deep in the forest. So no one live here, just them, just Dela, Sri, Dini, and Erna. As the curse neared its 1,000 day, the horror intensified. So the situation is really so bad, so hectic, until Erna tragically died. Erna died.
Oh, died?
Yes, after making a mistake.
What
So,
mistake?
She was hitting like the small doll of Dela. You know, like you know, guys, like if someone do like curse, they will like pump
hitting.
small doll. Yeah, like that. So after that, after Erna died, Sri and Dini were torn between staying to help or fleeing to save themselves. Knowing both choices carried risk. And then on the final night, like in the night of 1,000 days, they did a thrilling ritual that transported them to the spirit world where the shaman behind the curse was. But in the end, Sri managed to save Dela's trapped soul, and the shaman died. So Dela's soul back in Dela's body, and the spirit gone. And the shaman is died. was died.
So Della is free now?
Yeah, it's free now. Her soul is come back to her body. But after traumatized and fearing for Sri chose to leave. So Sri don't stay anymore in that family
Oh, why?
because she was so traumatized. Like after all that kind of thing, you know, like
yeah,
1,000 days with the curse. Yeah, of course. But Dini chose to stay. So Dini stay with Atmojo family. Just Sri out from this family. After this letter, Sri received a bag of money from the Atmojo family.
Oh,
Yeah.
so Atmojo family want her to back?
Yeah. So they like give Sri money to take her,
Oh.
but she don't want it. But she refused it and throwing it away. So the money throwing it away and cut all ties with them. But do you know it's like a bag of money, like everybody want it, right? But
Yes.
Sri is no, like this is so traumatized for her. And yeah, after that the story is end. So in the end, Sri don't know what happened with Atmojo family anymore because she cut all ties with them, right?
Oh, lost contact.
Yeah, lost contact.
So she just cut off.
Cut off, like that's so traumatized for her. No, just no. So by the way, this story is so famous on X or Twitter, yeah, and was read by so many people in Indonesia. As we know that Indonesian people always like about that kind of thing, right?
Yes.
Like horror, tragic, and of course a real story. Yeah.
Like
We are,
us, right?
yeah, like us. We are like horror story, and Japanese girl like horror story. Yes, and so and actually, this story was made, has been made, into film, into movie. The title of movie is same like the curse, Sewudino. Yeah, and I've already watched it in bioscope at that time. So
Me too.
you know, yeah, right. And I think the sound is startling, but I still can feel the tension. So do you guys, if you want like feel the tension of the story, you just can watch the movie Sewudino
Sewudino.
on online apps. You can watch it like in Netflix maybe. You should watch it. So yeah, the story about Sewudino curse. I hope you like it. So we're gonna go to the next story of curse.
Okay, the second story is about Santet Tusukonde. Do you know about Santet Tusukonde?
Yeah, I know the Tusukonde one.
Yeah, just Tusukonde.
It's
accessories
yes,
for-
it's true.
right.
Okay. Santet Tusukonde is a type of a black magic that is well known in ancient Javanese cultures, especially in the rural areas of Java. It's believed to be very very dangerous magic in Java. This magic is said to cause a severe, unbearable pain throughout the victim's body, as if they are being pierced by a sharp object like heated iron or molten lead. Even though the wound is invisible. So
Nobody can see.
yes. In my opinion, this incident is mysterious and frightening because it can affect without any clear cause. Okay, the origin of Santet Tusukonde is believed to be from the inland region of Java, though the exact location is unknown.
Nobody know.
Yes, many people claim to have experienced its effect. One case shared by Mbak Widri involved a patient with a blood stomach, extreme weakness, and inability to stand. So they are very very weak. During treatment, objects like brushing needles, razor blades, hair, blood clots, and pus emerge is in their body from the patient's mouth and stomach. indicating the influence of this magic.
So
The-
dangerous.
Yes, this type of black magic can sometimes be detected by medical tests like X-ray. You know,
Yeah, no. In the hospital, right? So
Yes.
the doctor can see.
the doctor can see which so foreign objects inside of your body. Additionally, people affected by Santet Tusukonde may suffer from unexplained illness that doctor cannot diagnose. To carry out such an attack, the Santet, the person performing the magic may need a classical offering such as black buffalo and black chicken.
Oh, like the money chicken.
Yes. Because of this, it's important to be cautious and aware of the potential harm from this magic. As it can cause suffering that is hard to explain or treat with conventional medicine. So it's doctors cannot help this.
So sad. So that's all about this story.
Yes.
So
dangerous,
Dangerous.
so creepy.
and so sad if someone got like this santet.
Yeah.
Because doctor can help. Right?
Yes.
Can
Doctor
help.
can help you.
So let's go to the next curse with Ayu.
So, the last story from me, I will tell you about Santet Pring Sedapur.
Okay, Prince Abel, what is Prince Dapur?
Okay, Santet Pring Sedapur is a type of black magic that is quite well known in Japanese society, especially in Tulungagung, East Java. Okay, according to local folklore, Santet Pring Sedapur is considered one of the most powerful santet.
Powerful Santet in Java or in Indonesia?
Maybe in Java, but in Indonesia, Santet Pring Sedapur is the most powerful.
Okay.
One of powerful. One of powerful. Okay, the name Pring Sedapur is believed to be derived from the word pring, meaning of bamboo, and Sedapur, which means a clump or a cluster. Symbolically, a clump of bamboo represents a family. This suggests that Santet Pring Sedapur targets an entire family, bringing harm to them one by one until none are left. Like your story, like
Dina.
So they are all
like your story. Okay. Initially, Santet Pring Sedapur was used as a weapon against Dutch colonization. With the Santet, the colonizers who were targets would die, including their descendants, as a way to prevent the possibility of future colonization by their heirs. However, even to this day, this form of black magic is still used from personal vendettas, often to take revenge on those who are despised. There is a particular story that illustrates this santet. A young girl, whom we will call her Sarah. So Sarah lost her entire family. Her father, her mother, her brother. She was the only one left.
So it's your
Because of this.
The family
she's alone.
passed away. She alone. Every few years, a member of her family will die. Okay. At first, there seemed to be nothing unusual about it. When it's someone's time to die, what can be done, right? However, what was strange was that just weeks before any family member passed away, sesajen,
Yes.
a 7 types flower, would always appear in front of their house in the morning,
Every day.
every day.
Okay.
Like suddenly there is.
Suddenly in their
How can?
I don't know.
Okay, next.
Okay, the symptoms before the death, Sarah family were also would vomit blood and expel hair from their throats.
Okay, from the truth.
Yeah,
Oh.
which was certainly not normal.
Yeah, it's not
Not
normal.
normal.
Like, how can it grow in throat?
Yeah. A lot of shamans who Sarah consulted were able to help her. The curse was simply too powerful for them to combat. The energy was so potent that only those with a strong mastery of black magic could cast such a spell. You might wonder why Sarah survived. Why Sarah
Why?
still alive?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
How?
The answer is that she was not a biological child.
Oh, really?
Of
So
her
she's
parents.
adopted
Adopted
by
her family.
Wow. So sad.
Oh.
This is like a sad family story.
Yes.
Then-
Yeah, so sad. Yeah, because of that, she was not affected by the curse that had been placed on her family.
Family. Oh.
Yeah. So dangerous, so sad. Because
She knows that she adopted.
yeah, she knows.
How she know from who?
From her own
Oh, she
thing.
just found it.
Yeah, I just found it after the family passed away.
Oh.
Just like, why I'm not die?
Yeah,
Okay.
like that, guys. So, what do you think, guys? So,
So
dangerous, so sad. Yeah.
So unbelievable as a
twist.
plot twist. It's a plot twist story.
Yeah. In my opinion, it's so sad because he lost her family.
Yeah.
She alone.
She lost and she know that she's not a real family, a biology
Yeah.
So sad.
daughter. Yeah. So this what it is.
So
So
just you should take care yourself, guys.
take care, guys.
So yeah, you should take care of your body,
Yeah.
your family, because sunset is so dangerous.
So it's everywhere.
Everywhere, every time.
Everywhere and
We never know. We
You
never,
never know.
Because it can comes from like
Your
someone
family, your real.
want to like hit or kill someone.
Yes.
Yeah, like this.
So I think that's all about Santat story, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like all the story from Sewdina, who's the entire family lines die, and then Susu
Santet
Konde is so dangerous, and then
Sunset brings dapur.
so tragic, yeah, so tragically. So thank you guys.
Yeah, that's
Bye.
Thank you.
See you. See you
podcast.
next podcast with
Next.
us. Oh.
Day.
Okay.
J orang dengan genetik Jawa. Bye.